Hello everyone, my name is Devesh Jaiswal and I am from the School of Mechanical Engineering. Today I am going to explain a fascinating concept in dynamics, something that helps aeroplanes fly stable, make the motorcycle turn smoothly and even keep keep satellite oriented in space. This concept is called gyroscopic toss. Let's explore how its work, what's caused its and why what's matter gyroscopic torque. The simple example, spin a bicycle vehicle while holding it by its axle. Now try to rotate the axis. You will feel it push back in a different direction. It's not just resisting, it's reacting perpendicular to applied force. That's gyroscopic behavior and is due to the physical angular of momentum. This is why gyroscopic are used in aeroplanes and ships. They maintain orientation because of their resisting to the direction change. Now the gyroscopic torque equation. T is equal to I into W into omega, where T is the gyroscopic torque, I is the momentum of inertia which depend on the object mass, how it is distributed, W is the omega, W is the angular velocity or fast that object spinning, omega is the precessional angular velocity which how fast the axis of spinning change the direction. So the object heavier or more massive, the rotational sense high I is high, spinning faster than W is high, change its direction more quickly omega high. This equation is used to engineering to predict behavior of spinning system. Now we know the angular momentum. L is I into W. Now, if the spinning axis of object start change that is being to the process, the angular momentum vector start rotating. According to Newton's second law, T is equal to dl by dt or the rate of change of angular momentum. Here the important part because the direction of angular momentum is changed due to the precision. We express the rate of change of vector cross product T is equal to I into W into omega. This this represents the torque as a vector quantity pointing in the direction that to twisting object axis. Now the torque and the magnitude of the torque and the drop of vector form T is equal to I into W into omega. This will use how much torque is generated during precision is indirectly useful for designing anything that spins, change in directions. Gyroscopic torque plays a huge role in mechanical and aerospace engineering. In bicycle and motorcycle, gyroscopic torque helps maintain balance during motion and makes the steering feel stable. In aircraft, gyroscopic force affect how the planes turn, climbs, or decides with rotating engine. In ships, submarines, gyroscopic help with with navigation and balance, they contract the rotating motion. In rocket and stable gyroscopic system, keep them pointing in the right direction. Thanks for watching and I hope this helped you understanding the concept clearly.